if I try to do something, especially like composing in my native language, there's millions of problems. Here's another one. I'm just using Adobe Spark, which is a nice tool. But when I enter some text in my language, so I'm using Unicode input system here. So as you can see, it displays perfectly fine here. But when it gets rendered into this screen here, you're seeing like 3 zero-bit joiners. And I don't know if it's gonna be there on the final version. So let's see. Let's download the final version. Yeah, it's there. So if Adobe, if you're watching this, do something to fix it. I know it's not your fault. It was the design committee who added unnecessary zero-bit joiners for places that didn't need them. But at least in your case, even for the one that needs a zero-bit joiner, your rendering system is messing it up. So it's partially your fault in this one. So please do something to fix it. If you're facing the same issue, just know that it's a known problem.